Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to search in the forums in a Wilmette Institute course. Some of our learners have expressed that they get a lot of emails and they want to find a certain topic or theme in the forums, and it can be difficult for them to remember where they saw a particular post, especially if they're like in 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th week of the course, and there've been a lot of things going on in all the different forums. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how to search the forums. Okay, so here we are in this course, which is The Great Spirit Speaks, Voices of the Wise Ones. And if you look to the top right, the first little box here has activities. This should be in every course. So a box on the right-hand side that says activities. So let's look at what happens when we click on the forums link here in the activities box. We get to a list of all the forums. I'm going to make the left-hand column disappear so that this comes up. So you'll see there's a news forum, course launch forum, forum to discuss Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, all of these different forums. So they're all there. And at the top right, you will see it says search forums here. You can do a simple search. Let's look for indigenous messengers to find all the posts that relate to indigenous messengers. And when I scroll down, you'll see that there are many posts that have that title. Those words, I should say, in the title or in the actual text. All right. So that is one thing you can do. Now, if you want to do a more fancy search, if it comes up with too many terms, for instance, too many matches, you can click on search forums here with a blank field, and it will take you into advanced search. In the advanced search, you can search for words that appear anywhere in the post, or you can search for an exact phrase that must appear in the post. You can exclude words. So these words, when you put them in here, will not be included. And you can specify that words should appear as whole words, because if you put a word here like man, for instance, it will return things like mankind or anything with man in it. So if you only want to have the word mankind, you would put mankind in the box here. Okay, you can also, scrolling down here, decide if you want to limit the time, because if you remember when the post appeared, it should be maybe no newer than a date that you put in here, or no older than a date that you put in here. And you can search all the forums or only particular forums. You can search for words that are only in the subject line, if you remember the subject. And you can also search for made by a certain author, whether it be a faculty member or yourself or another participant in the course. So if you remember who it was that posted the post that you're looking for, you could put their name in here. So then you click here to search forums. Let us see what happens if we use this. Maybe mankind is a word that should appear in the post. I don't know if that word is in any of these forums, but let's see what happens when we search here. Here we go. Yeah, we have 4 results. So here we are, just that one word, mankind, is in this one. And that's highlighted in blue. Here it is again here, mankind. And in blue again here, mankind. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please send them to me at learn, Learn, at wilmetteinstitute.org. Thank you.